Introducing the kid-friendly, easy-to-program Gizmo remote. To program your remote so that it automatically searches your TV code, follow these easy steps. First, turn on the device you want to control. Second, press the desired device button until the LED lights up. Third, release all buttons and aim the remote to the device. Fourth, press and hold channel up or channel down to enter into the searching mode until the LED lights up. Fifth, when the TV turns off, release all keys and press the TV button to save the setting. Be patient, this may take a few seconds. Now test all buttons to make sure the remote works properly. If not, repeat steps 2 to 4 so the remote finds the correct code. There you have it. It's so simple. I didn't even have to ask my parents to help me.